Hey guys, we wanted to do a little video on a new service we're now offering because we are starting to get a lot of inquiries. The crazy Koreans are at it again, and PDO Threads are the new and upcoming trend you've probably all seen on social media. And I guess we want to touch base on a few things with you guys before you decide you want to come in for a consultation or for the treatment. So for those of us who aren't aware what PDO Threads are or have heard of them but aren't quite sure what their purpose is, Katie, can you tell us what they are?
Sure. So PDO threads are used to strengthen your skin, improve skin elasticity, smooth out the stubborn fine lines and tighten the skin. They're tiny needles, all different lengths depending on where they're being used, and they're inserted into your skin. They are then removed, leaving the threads in the skin to stimulate collagen growth, and some threads can also be used to volumize the area.
I guess the main question I want to ask is, when does someone get threads?
So threads are good for people who are at optimal volume and patients who have had filler, or it's done in conjunction with filler. If you are quite youthful and you only have lines around the nasolabial and marionette areas, threads are a good option, as you get to a point you can only do so much with filler before you start to add too much bulk. And for example, someone who does have fine lines under their eyes but aren't a candidate for tear trough filler, threads can be used there.
Cool. And I guess we've got a couple of different types of threads. The first one being our smooth, which as you can see has tiny thread on it, which we implant into the skin and release it, leaving that thread in the body to help build collagen. Our other thread we have is our double screws, where the thread is wrapped around, but these ones will stimulate collagen a bit more than the others because of that twist in the thread, and it will incur a more of an inflammatory response. These are a really good option to give a lift in the brows or in the nasolabial fold that is a little bit deeper to help stimulate the collagen and give it more of a hold.
So contraindications which can be discussed in your consultation include if you're pregnant, breastfeeding, some allergies and keloid scarring.
So where can the threads be used?
Threads can be used all over the face, like crow's feet, frown lines, brow lifts, forehead lines, nasolabial lines, smoker's lines, tear troughs, and even other areas like hollow or saggy cheeks. They can even be used for a chin and neck lift or other areas on your body like hands, knees, or even your butt. So what is the process?
Okay, so after your consultation with one of our nurses and medical practitioners, and it has been decided that you're a good candidate for threads, a topical anesthetic is applied to the area or areas to numb. The actual insertion and removal of the threads is quick. Depending on the area, anywhere from 10 to 20 threads are normally used. Larger areas like the chin and neck may need 20 to 40 threads. Can you get filler and anti-wrinkle with threads?
Short answer is yes. Threads should be used in combination with dermal fillers, anti-wrinkle injections, and even PRP. You can even get filler or anti-wrinkle in the same appointment as threads. For example, if we are doing a brow lift with threads, it's important to treat this area with anti-wrinkle as well for optimal results.
Okay, so what is the downtime like, and how long until I will start seeing results?
There is little to no downtime with threads. After treatment, you can go back to your normal routine. Aesthetically, you might see some bruising or puffiness similar to what you would when you get dermal filler. Like other skin treatments like PRP, where we are doing treatments to stimulate certain reactions, we are relying on your body to grow the collagen.
And I guess the collagen reproduction cycle is normally around 12 weeks, so we would suggest this is the amount of time it would take before you start seeing results, and the extent of the results are up to your body and how they react to the threads. I guess that's a bit more information for you to digest and have a bit of a think about if threads is something you would like to consider in your facial treatment journeys. We offer free consultations either in clinic or over FaceTime and can be booked online via our website. If you have any other questions, please let us know.